Aparo on behalf of Cambodian Theravada Buddhist monks in America and also especially in Long Beach. We continue to pray and appreciate your dedication and your sacrifice. And you are the legacy of our Cambodian around the world. A round of applause to welcome Mr. Michael Aparo. May the 10th enlightenment of our Lord Buddha continue to protect the committee and Mr. Michael and his team to continue to bring this justice to the world and also bring the truth information to share to the United States of America and the people around the world. May the King of Angels come to witness and bless Michael and family, continue with long life, prosperity, and safe wherever he travel to. ឱកាសវិបត្តិបដិទាហាយសពសម្បត្តិសតិយាសពតុខៈសពភយៈសពរោគៈវិនាសាយៈបរតាំងព្រោះធម្មង្កលំ